Hello everyone, my name is Nan and I'm a Thai living in Manila. Today I would like to teach you how to read, write, and speak Thai numbers. So let's get started.
1 1 1 2 2 2 3 3 3 4 4 4 5 5 5 6 6 6 7 7 7 8 8 8 9 9 9 10 10 10 So from 10 to 19 is basically using the number 10 plus the other number. Example, 18 is 10, 8. The only exception is 11. So 11 is 11, 11. So number 12 would be 10, 2. So that's 12. Another example is 15. So that's 10, 5. So it's 15, 15. So from 20, 30, 40, and so on till 90, it's basically the number and then 10. The only exception is 20. So number 20 is 20, 20. So 30 is 310. 310. So that's 30, 30. So 50 is 510. That's 50, 50. Okay? So example, if it would be 55, so it would be 5, 10, then 5. So it's 55. Alright? 66 is 66. 99 is 99. Then 100 is 100. 100. So example, 100 is 100. 200 is 200. So example, the number would be 250. So it's 250. 1,000 is 1,000. So example, 3,000 is 3,000. 3,000. So 3,500 is 3,500. 3,500. For 10,000, we don't call it 10,000. We have an actual word for the 10,000, which is moon. Moon. So example, 60,000 is 60,000. 60,000. Then for 100,000, we have another word as well. It's 100,000. 100,000. So example, 700,000 is 700,000. 700,000. Then lastly, million is ล้าน. ล้าน. So 8 million is 8 ล้าน. 8 ล้าน. So this is an example of a very long number in Thai, but don't worry, just keep practicing. So this is 9 ล้าน 8 แสน 7 หมื่น 6 พัน 543 So for the second part of my video is how to write Thai numbers. Okay. So this is number 1. You start by a small circle in the middle, then going around until it's like a half swirl like this. Okay, so this is number 1. Then number 2 looks like an upside down 3 with a curve like this. Okay. Then number 3 also looks like an upside down 3. So this is number 4. So there's like a tail at the top. And number 5. It's similar to number 4, except for the tip. Then this is number 6. So make sure the end of the top is long. And number 7. Now number 8. Then number 9. Then our 0 is the same as in Arabic 0. So if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel. I also have another video on useful words to use when you travel to Thailand. You can follow me on Instagram as well. Thank you all, and bye!